what you want me to say. I know what you need. Making everything go your way. So predictable. Nothing difficult to explain. I know what you want. And I'm sorry, but it won't be possible. I got guns in all of the counties, all of them. Brown and white like a bounty. Oh, and Paso Brownie shout me, telling me her boyfriend's lousy. You must be from oh, she wanna come through to the bits. I got food and sweets, D, call me obsessive. Talk of the town, me I'm the talk of the town. A91, don't talk living. They know me, that's RB gang. Yo, talk of the town, me I'm the talk of the town. Girls want you with a pack, and I get love all over the map. Talk of the town, me I'm the talk of the town. Talk of the town, my side talk of the town. A91, don't talk living. They know me, I'm an estate villain. All them girls want you with a pack, and I get love all over the map. Talk of the 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 talk of the
Original pirate material. You're listening to the.
Brother, who cares? Who cares, brother? Who cares, brother? Who cares? Today, smash.
Chad, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. Hope you guys are doing well. There's a lot going on here, Chad. I don't know what's going on. A lot of guys talking about the internet. Cloudflare, there's a lot of issues there. We having issues. The internet's having issues. There's a lot of problems over there. There's a lot that's going on here. As you guys see, Kribo is not in the building. He had to sort some stuff out as well, so he's not here with us now. But to answer the question, we have caught our trade. We waited for the whole day, and we are done. But we are going to break it down. We thought not just instead of just chalking the stream, because we are not going to trade anything else today. What we're going to do, we're going to give you guys a market analysis, tell you what to watch out for if you guys want to get involved. But our players come and go. We've made our money. We are smiling, and it's another green day for the team. So we're just going to run through that there for you guys. The old stream going to blow up. So we just want to see what's going to happen there. But yeah, Chad, without further ado, let's just get right into it quickly for you all. Took 2 L's on gold and re-entered. Lost 150 in both L's combined. They made 300 pips at least. There we go. Beautiful stuff. But Chad, as I was saying, let's just try to run through, because the internet, everything's talking. It's not even going to be worth it anyway. But if you are new, make sure to subscribe, drop a like. That's what we ask you guys. I will get Kribo to fix the issue with the gaming things. I don't know why they are on here, but we will sort that out. But thanks for the heads up. But Chad, for the one time and last time today, we're going to ask you guys just to come forth. We're going to get quiet for the one time in the session, where we just slide and get a little bit silent, come together to bow our heads to open up these markets with a prayer. All right. Dear Heavenly Father, we come before you today as your servants, as your children, as your people in your community. We want to thank you for every single day. Thank you for the blessings. Thank you for the basic needs. Thank you for the basic wants that you allow us to also have. Thank you for surrounding us with amazing people, our friends, our family, our community. Thank you for just having us another day here with the simple things of having our health, having our sight, being able to hear you, listen to the music, listen to all the noises outside. Sometimes the taxis are in there as well, and even those hardy dolls we don't like, but it's those little simple noises we take for granted. It's the same thing we take here in the charts, where we sit here, and if you guys are in agreement, this is where His people say amen, because where there's more than two, we know He is present and here with us. All right, but stream super laggy, crazy network connection. Guys, as I said, it's going to be a bit of an issue. Even while fund is down 500 internal error. That's what I say, guys. We're going to do a quick thing here. We can't fight this, unfortunately, but we're going to do keys and ads for the guys, then call it. Yeah, we're going to, guys. But let's just run this quickly for you guys. So let's have a look here. If we look at the markets, we're going to start off with the dollar. Remember, I said to you guys, very simple thing this morning. Good chance you could see us after having all these lows going for the highs. I will say the interesting part I didn't expect was us to reject, bounce off that EQ with that test, and then come back in, go for Asia highs, previous daily high failing, and there the dollar is coming all the way back down again. So I will say this part I wouldn't have expected. This is what we wanted to see, and then see what happens, which either could have come down or it could have gone bullish. So we just saw how it played out there, but monitoring those markets, you're gonna have to just see and take it from there. But on the 4 hour, it does look like gold dollar is still pulling back, hence why we are still neutral, pretty much in a range over there. Going over to US 30, as I said to you guys, I am quite bearish on the day. You guys can already see how this thing is absolutely tanking again, all the way to the downside. The big thing I said to you guys with this morning, after all of this, you guys are going to want to monitor if it can bring back up and hold here. Asia lows, does it break back in, then it's going to go for Asia highs and probably even up above. But get into Asia lows failing, and once you got the re-break of previous daily low again, that was it. It was history, and it's just been tanking since. Daily S1 not even being able to hold it, so probably daily S2, you guys know the drill, and that would be that yearly resistance as well. So I'd even say you're going to see 4600 flat, that nice psychological number, come into play over there. Then lastly, with gold, we were waiting for the buys over here today. Very, very choppy markets, quite neutral. Two areas of being neutral, though we are holding the monthly pivot. You want to see the retest from the other side. Secondly, you've tested psychological 4000. So big thing I always say to you, key area, you either want to bounce off of it, and we've had the test, and that thing absolutely left the station after there. You guys can see it tapped it, and the rest is history. On the 4 hour, the big thing we spoke to you guys about, if you were here this morning, we wanted to see some confirmations. Trading back down, this was all a range we could see over here. And the big thing for you guys, if you kind of do something like this, very, very simple stuff, you can almost mark out, and there's a bit of a range for you. So the big thing for us, if you think of it like this becomes your fake out on the week, being Tuesday. As I always say to you, if I'm going to be bullish, Monday, Tuesday, I expect a bearish move. Tuesday, we've now had the fake out, closing back into this. A very simple thing is we're expecting a move to go from here all the way back up, daily R1 and forth, and so much. There's a lot more to it, but that is on a simple nutshell for you. The rest of the guys in Project G are all aware for it. They were looking out for this trade from this morning. They were already told what to wait for, because we needed to see confirmation, and once we got confirmation, the trade we were ready to execute on, and the rest was history. Once we got to Asia highs, pretty much the Asia high play over here, but again, there's a little bit more to it, but this was our trade over there with the guys. 50 pip stop, and the rest was history. Ran a 1 to 2 to get that nice 100, and then told the guys you still can obviously run for your 200, and then your full TP, which, you know what, I'll just be nice and I'll give you guys his previous daily high, all the way up there, so you can work out a nice 1 to 11. But the OES hasn't taken a miss yet for the guys that are aware of it. The strat we brought in, Trevor and myself doing the 5-minute OES, I brought in a mixture of a higher time frame 4-hour OES, and since that, OES has just been on another level. But Chad, that is all we're going to look for. As I said, we've got our trade, it's already running. I mean, you can't really enter now. Why would you enter now if you already had a 200 pip move? It's pointless for us. So that's pretty much going to be it. You got 2 minutes till markets are going to open, but I think that is going to be it from us. The internet is chalked. Everything is happening. We've got our trade. There's just a lot going on here, guys. We obviously had a nice long session with you this morning, but we did want to at least jump on here, give you guys the market analysis, and then see what's going to happen there. I think even for us, we can't stream like this with this connectivity issues. So it's just one of those things, unfortunately. But yeah, pray healing the lag. Yeah, Oaks are gonna hold that gold trade 100%. Cheers guys. But as I said, guys, just take it easy. Don't get yourselves into too much trouble. It's just one of those things, and that's the market conditions. These tough markets is where you need to show discipline, like this now. If you get your win, call it, walk away. Don't turn a good day or a great day into a bad day. All right. But Chad, as I say, I do apologize. But especially with the internet side of things, there's not much we can do about that. And obviously we did have our trade, so we're not going to try for something. You did get you a bit of a longer stream here this morning. But again, as I said to you, we just wanted to make sure we could at least give you guys, with the connection issues, we should just set the session back. Yeah. We don't want to get involved with this market conditions, and that's just the reality of it. So Chad, I know it's a little bit short and sweet. We obviously love hanging out with you guys, but we're not going to waste your time. Some of you are still working, you have jobs. So again, last thing we want to do is waste each other's time. The rest of the guys, Project G, you will be updated with anything else. But as I said, Crib and myself will not be taking any of the trades. You guys have taken the trades with us. And that is pretty much going to be it. Chad, hopefully tomorrow's a bit better. We do have some news events coming out tomorrow, so make sure you're there for that. I think the news is going to be very, very interesting tomorrow. But Chad, as always, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. We'll see you guys same place, same time tomorrow as always. Cheers, Chad.
Send a man, give me the mic and now and a man. Send a man, give me the mic and now and a man. Go tell a man, come and get me, you're far from a clever man. Send a man, with a buck, go get a man. Anytime you're ready, I'm there, I'm better than deep, man, fair and square. We can link in the end, we can link Mayfair. when I'm here, what I'm here. Fresh and clean when I'm here, what I'm here. It's all right when I'm here, what I'm here. It's on top when I'm here, what I'm here. Lyrically make man disappear. Cause the victory like between me and you, blood is the history gap. How did man gonna come with chat? Come against me, I'm there and that. R.I.P. on the t-shirt, all of your man never wearing that. Put man to bed, to the man fall nap, to the man, to the man, to the man get rap. I need that.
Yeah.